Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a pair of speakers from Edifier. These are the M60 speakers with high-res audio and high-res wireless audio. This is the box for it. Pretty simple box. It just shows you the two color scheme. We have black on this side and white on the other side. Our color scheme, it's black. On the side right here we have some specs. So 66 watt total output power right here, full digital signal processing, high resolution audio, Bluetooth 5.3, USB and aux input. Basically an aux input is the 3.5mm jack, touch control. These are the size 100 by 168 by 147mm, and of course you can connect it with the Edifier Connects app. Pretty much that's it with the box. Simple box, just tells you about the product. So what I want to do now is take it out of the box. I want to show you guys what you get inside, and after that we are gonna mount it and put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is what we get. We get the speakers and we get some accessory and an instruction manual. So basically we have some stands, so you can stand the speakers just like so, facing a bit upwards, which is really nice. We have all the cable for the connections. So this is the cable to connect both speakers to each other. If you can see, this is the left one. This is the only one that has only one cable, which is the connection cable. One then will plug right here, and the other end will plug right in here. As you can see, the right speaker has more ports, auxiliary in, USB Type-C in, speaker out, and power supply. So they included a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. This will allow you to connect to your PC via USB Type-C. Aux cable, if your PC or your device doesn't have a USB Type-C, you can connect it with a 3.5mm jack, which is pretty nice, pretty handy. Most of them have nowadays. And we have the UK mains power supply cord, which will plug right here. So this is how the speakers look together. They're really nice. I am not sure if I will mount them to my PC, because I already have another pair of Edifier speakers at my PC right there, or I'll connect them to my TV. Oh, by the way, if you don't want to use a lot of cables, which is my case because I honestly don't like a lot of clutter on my desk, I will use the Bluetooth, because it comes with Bluetooth 5.3, great connection, great range. You can connect it to various devices: phone, PC, TV, tablet, and so on. So I think I'm only gonna use two cables in my case, which will be the power cable, obviously to power the devices, and the left to right connection cable. Basically that's it. And I'm going to connect these speakers to either my PC or my TV with Bluetooth. So yeah, that being said, let's go ahead and connect them, and let's test them out. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so the speakers are set up on my TV, and one of my favorite features is the fact that they are wireless. So basically there is no direct connection, no cable connection between the TV and the speakers, even though you can. I decided to use the Bluetooth function. So all I'm using is a cable that connects both speakers, and of course the power cable. But apart from that, every time I turn on my TV, the speakers just connect by themselves, which I think it's absolutely amazing. It's just such a good quality of life feature to have. And another of my favorite feature, it's the proximity sensor on the top of the right speaker, or the left in this scenario because they face in my way. This is my right. So if you want to adjust the volume, all you have to do is just wave on the top like so. You have a proximity sensor, you can adjust the volumes, but of course you can do that from your remote TV. It's super convenient. And everything just works. So for example, if I try to adjust the volume right here, we'll say EDIFIER M60, and everything just works. The sound is absolutely amazing. Let's just watch a bit of this video. It's one of my video with another EDIFIER product. Feel free to check that out as well. Some headphones. So let's just press play. Right, so let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what... There you go. Very loud, but it's not loud to the point that it will disturb the audio. It's just enough loudness at 100%. I usually keep it at 60, but I just wanted you guys to experience or get a better understanding on how it sounds like. And yeah, pretty much that's it. I showed you guys all the ports, everything. If you guys want to buy these speakers, I will have a link in the video description down below. It won't cost you anything more than the normal price. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.